are frightened by the diseases caused by bacteria. Pneumonia, salmonella, meningitis, all caused by bacteria and passed among us every day. Infectious disease is the greatest cause of illness and death in human history. It is now the third highest cause of death in the United States. Bacteria can make us deathly sick and often kill us. And just when we develop medicines to kill the germs, they do what they do best, mutate to resist our medicines.
We are destined to always live with microorganisms, and the concept that we will eradicate microorganisms, you can wash to your heart's content, but you won't rid your skin of microorganisms. And you can scrub to your heart's content, you won't rid your mouth of bacteria. And there are other things that we know about that bacteria are constantly present. Our intestinal tract is one great fermentation tube, and it's constantly gurgling and grinding and converting things. We absolutely depend on these things, and there's no way out of it.
Actually, less than 1% of all bacteria cause disease. The others perform countless useful functions in everyday life. Bacteria are behind many of our favorite foods, and when those foods spill down the front of us, bacterial enzymes help get the stains out. Even artificial snow relies on bacteria. Protein from freeze-dried bacteria helps flakes to form out of water mist. Bacteria are the oldest life form on Earth. They survive, even thrive, in some of the harshest environments. In the hot springs of Yellowstone, in pools of acid, next to ocean vents where the water temperature is 480 degrees Fahrenheit. This is what a bacterium is. A single-cell organism with its own branch on the tree of life. Daisies, squirrels, and people are on the other side because their bodies are made up of many cells. It's the smallest of free-living organisms. About 1 million would fit on the head of a pin. Bacteria come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and to reproduce, they simply divide. In many species, cell division occurs every 20 minutes. We are born bacteria-free, but within hours, we begin to be colonized with about 400 species of microbes on our skin, in our intestines, in our mouths, noses, and throats. There are more bacteria in our mouths than living people on the planet, more bacteria in our bodies than human cells.
You may not think about bacteria very often, but they play a vital role in our lives. Without bacteria, you and lots of other things would be in big trouble.